Largely, our customers are looking for a sort of partnership in which they can co-develop some of the way to machine components. They are also looking to CPS in terms of the large capacity we have. My name is Michele Serpi. I'm supporting the team in develop the organization and bring the company to the next level. Our customers are largely major corporations into the energy business: Baker Hughes, Siemens, Ansaldo, Dresser, Hitachi, Andritz, and Voith. They produce normally rotating machinery, and we support them completing and machining components. We know that our customers are producing machines that may generate millions per day to the end user. So the first two things that are coming to my mind once I am thinking to the machine tools from DMG MORI are clearly the speed and the quality of the final products. In the energy business, many of the components are for rotating equipment. They have to be turned and milled. So the possibility for some of them to have all the capabilities into one single machine is really helping us in lean the process and having a better control of the final product. The first thing, when you speak about reclamp, every time you have to do the setup, you may have an additional mistake. So it's not just the time of the setup, it's also the fact that you have to set up all the parameters and start again. In addition to the checks we do on the machine tools, CPS has one of the largest quality control rooms that you may find in the market, with 4 new Zeiss machines from medium small dimension to one of the largest they have sold in the world. All the additive manufacturing has a great momentum into the industry. We have done thousands of tons of chips, removing material, but now it is a totally different approach. There are a lot of components that are already flying in engines in the airplanes. So it is something, it is not the future, it is now. We thought DMG MORI with the LASERTEC 125 was the right partner for this co-development. Having such large fleet of DMG MORI machine tools, we have the possibility to decide in which machine tools to put the right component in order to maximize the efficiency and the quality of the components.